you running a virtual meeting where you have a guest speaker? A meeting where different presenters are leading different parts of a session, all in the same slide deck? Instead of saying, "Next slide, please," use the co-presenter feature in Slides. I'm Laura Mae Martin, Google's Productivity Advisor, here to show you how to work your space in Google Workspace. Today, we'll show you how to add a co-presenter in Slides. Let's get started. After presenting your screen, click Start Slideshow and then the Add Person button. From there, click on the three dots next to their name and select Add Participant as Co-Presenter. The co-presenter will be able to navigate the slides and start and stop media within the presentation. So there you have it. Add a co-presenter in Slides in one easy step. If you have any specific questions about this tip, leave them in the YouTube comments below. Looking for more tips just like this? Subscribe and click the links below to follow us on social.